Palakpakan natin Yamaha Motor Philippines for supporting Custom Manila.
Napakaganda talaga nitong motor na to at maganda talaga ito para gamitin nyo as for customization and of course for air red bikes tsaka mga personal use.
This is my PG1. So inspiration ko sa pag-build nito is the daily ride and the madali siyang i-customize. Okay? For me, this is all around trail, traveling, and camping.
Dito sa PG1 na motor na ginagamit ko, ang mga pinalagay ko talaga dito ay yung mga brackets para lagayan ko ng mga gamit for camping. Mas marami kasi ko na ilalagay dito kasi itong PG1 marami siyang accessories na pwedeng ilagay. Pag nakita nyo, more on brackets ako na paglalagyan ng gamit.
Hi, I'm Josh Reyes from Club Makina. My favorite part about building this bike, specifically when it comes to the bike, was how customizable it is. You can turn this to anything that you want. Specifically when it comes to rally, when it comes to off-road, when it comes to scrambler or tracker, this bike fits all.
Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is yung ito, yung PG1 logo. Umiilaw kasi siya para ma-enhance lalo yung name ng PG1 tapos pagkagabi, kitang-kita ka pa rin. Medyo mahirap pero ginawan pa rin namin ng paraan. Nag-enjoy naman kami sa pagbe-build. Sobrang gumana talaga yung mga utak namin, mga kapwa builders. So, nag-enjoy kami. Sobra. Maraming salamat sa Yamaha.
We asked them to vote among themselves for them to appreciate the custom-built bikes of their competitors. The final vote goes to
Motoyaki from
Motoyaki Custom!
Congratulations!
Maraming salamat Yamaha at sa Custom Manila, sa mga kaibigan ko na pumunta. Saksi sila sa pagbibuild ko nung araw pa. Maraming salamat. Thank you Custom Manila, PG1, Yamaha.